Okay, hi everyone, I'm Nigel, Heather's husband, and we're making Cheerwine Sangria today.
As my wonderful husband just mentioned, we will be using Cheerwine for this sangria recipe instead of juice. So what exactly is Cheerwine? Cheerwine was the first bottled cherry soda. It never contained wine or any kind of alcohol. It's made by the oldest continuously operated family-owned soda company in the US. L.D. Peeler founded the Carolina Beverage Corporation and Cheerwine Bottling Company in 1917, and when he passed away in 1931, his son Clifford took over the company, and it has been in family hands ever since. Cheerwine actually helped in World War II. According to the company's website, when the war came, Clifford Peeler donated scrap metal to the war effort, including the company's first Dixie filler machine, old signs, and other pieces of memorabilia. On the website, it also says that rumor has it some soldiers claim to have been able to vaguely make out a Cheerwine logo in metal on the hull of the USS Intrepid. It's considered an official part of a Southern handshake. Barbecue restaurants have been serving icy cold bottles of Cheerwine for over 100 years. It's such a natural pairing that it became known as a Southern handshake, barbecue in one hand and Cheerwine in the other. In 2015, they made it official when the National Barbecue Association named Cheerwine as its official soft drink. It was a North Carolina specialty until very recently, though you could get it pretty much all over the South. It wasn't until 2017, 100 years after the company was founded, that people in all 50 states were able to enjoy a cold bottle of Cheerwine. Cheerwine has a very robust, active fan following. It has an official fan club, and every year there is a Cheerwine festival. And in fact, I'm gonna try to show some info about this on the screen because they're gonna try to have it this year, and I hope they manage to pull it off.
Today. Got all the ingredients set out behind us, so let's get into it, shall we? 3 shots of Grand Marnier brandy, in this case Asbach. We like this stuff. We get this stuff in chocolates around Christmas time. This is made in the Black Forest, where my favorite cake comes from. Triple Sec, another orange flavored liqueur. This is manufactured by De Kuyper. They're very good at having liqueurs and creme de whatevers. We've got some grenadine syrup, just to taste. In here, we've got 1 cup of frozen mixed berries. In this cup, we have 1 cup of frozen pitted black cherries. We've also got 2 bottles of the eponymous Cheerwine for the Cheerwine Sangria. This is a southern US soft drink that's basically cherry soda, made with none of those artificial things like corn syrup or anything. This is just pure old sugar. And it's caffeinated as well, so you can get this is sort of like the Jolt Cola before Jolt Cola, and tastes a lot better too.
That was good.
Okay, and finally for the wet ingredients we have this lovely Portuguese red. It's called Aiolas from Portugal, 2019 vintage. This says, Aiolas is inspired by the vivid colors and flavors of Portugal. The wine has a bright ruby red color with lively fruit notes. Very smooth on the palate with soft round tannins and harmonious finish. Enjoy Aiolas with grilled meats and cheese. Smells nice and fruity. Segmented oranges with the peels cut off because they tend to make things bitter. We've got some sliced up golden dragon fruit. That's very nice. I like golden dragon fruit. And we've got some basil, which we will leave in the jug and then skim off the surface in the morning. We've got our massive jug. Let's go to it. Throwing in all the booze. It's the Grand Marnier, the brandy, and the triple sec. Come to think about it, that doesn't look too bad in terms of volume. I think we might be able to get this to go. Right down to the last drag, no cinnamon. Good stuff. 1, and 2. That is a lovely red color. It's all fizzy. Dropping in the basil. We'll spritz the old Grenadine. There we go. Oh, that tastes absolutely lovely. I'm sure it will taste even better when it's been in the fridge overnight to mellow and let all the flavors get to know each other.
So Nigel put some cling wrap on here. And we're gonna put this in the fridge like he said overnight. I'm actually wearing a wig in Cheerwine Sangria.
Hey!
Hey! It's as if this was thematically planned. So, all right, well, thank you for making an excellent beverage and showing everybody how to do this. This is a recipe that we came up with. Nigel executed it beautifully, and I look forward to drinking it very much tomorrow. So we'll have to let you know on camera how it turned out.
Righto.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.